get it on like Marvin Gaye, like afterward. Write a song for you like this. You're over my head, I'm out of my mind, thinking I was cool in the wrong time.
Hey guys, it's us Undecided, and welcome back to another YouTube video of ours. I'm Diana.
I'm Bianca.
And I'm Leslie.
And today we're gonna be doing the rainbow slimy glue. And we got this at Walmart. We're not sponsored by Walmart or by the rainbow whatever it's called, but we're not sponsored by none of them. We just like shopping at Walmart, and when we went to do our tie-dye video, we found this. And so we decided to buy it. So we're gonna start with this. So let's try it.
It says includes everything you need, so
Hopefully it does.
So let's just open it. No, not bad, small thing. And throw that over there. Or that way. So let's open it up. I hope it includes everything.
Yeah, I hope it does.
So we have glue here, clear glue. Put there. So it includes a spoon,
The instructions.
a measuring cup with like, I guess you use this to mix, I'm pretty sure.
Paint. And sodium tetraborate.
I guess this is
powder.
what you use to
I think
actually
it's like
make the
borax.
slime. Yeah, it's probably like borax. I don't know.
Borax.
Yeah, I'm actually been dicing.
The glue.
So we're gonna
A
start.
little spoon. And a little measuring cup in the wood.
So we don't know how to really do this, so we're gonna read the instructions. Okay, so our instructions are all different because we kind of got these really cheap. So we're just gonna look at the instructions on her phone that we found online.
I'm gonna follow that.
We have to do the background research.
So this is garbage.
So the first step, fill a cup with. By the way, we had to get water because the water was not
And
included.
cups.
Fill a cup with 25 milliliters of warm water. So we're gonna do that in here, right? Can I borrow scissors?
We got
ready for the
our
next step?
videographer's sister over here, so she's the one handing the scissors.
Or
scissors to
assistant.
us. Assistant.
So I think we should only open one.
Yeah, we should open one.
Yeah, why open all three of them?
So it's just a spoon
One spoon. We put one spoon.
We put
into
the 25
warm
milliliter in the small cup.
in the small cup.
water.
Yeah.
Oh, almost dropped it. Okay, so now we do 1 spoon of whatever the hell this is.
Full spoon.
Sodium.
Some shit.
It's like borax. I guess.
Strawberry. It's like borax, yeah. So I guess this is what makes the slime, the actual
Okay, so
slime.
we put
The
one
activation
spoonful.
or what?
And I think we stir, right?
Yeah, we stir that, and then we put that to one side. We get 25 milliliters of. No, sorry, 25 milliliters of warm water again.
Again?
Yeah.
I go first.
Damn, sorry.
And if we put it in the red cup,
Yeah, we put that in the red cup.
25.
Yeah, 25.
I knew. Pass me a napkin.
Did you make a mess already?
I dropped one little tiny
Can you pass me a
drop.
napkin, please?
Alright, 25 milliliters of water. That's kind of a big cup for 25 milliliters. And then what we're gonna do is add 16 milliliters
Thank you.
of this
Thank you.
glue.
And you guys thought that I was gonna be the one that made the mess.
No, I did one little drop.
What'd you do?
Okay,
so
25 minutes.
16.
Open it. Just open it.
Oh.
16?
Yeah.
It's 15. So how do I get this exact?
Do a little bit more than 15.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not that smart, guys.
What we're gonna do now is right here into this cup, we're gonna add like the paint we want. Like,
What color are you guys doing?
I'm gonna do red. Ah.
Damn.
Nah, I'll do another color then.
I'm gonna do blue.
I think I'm gonna do purple.
I'm gonna add a lot of red. like a lot.
Or should I do orange?
Is this red? Yeah, that's red.
I don't know if to do orange or... Well, orange looks like red, so I think I'm gonna do blue.
That's cool.
Oh, so this is what it's looking like. It's kind of bubbly. I guess it's because of the glue. Oh, this is so cute. Oh. I'll do purple, I guess.
People are probably gonna wonder
It's
why
cute.
our
It's cute, like, the
16-year-old
color's really
skin's
bright.
mine.
Yeah.
But-
Well, you know, we're in quarantine and there's like really nothing much to do. Well, not really quarantine, but like Corona just ruined everything.
So there's not much to do.
And we went to Walmart and I guess we just found this and we're like, oh, let's do this. Like I said, we're not sponsored by Walmart. We just go there a lot.
Alright.
So this is how the blue is looking. Wait, let me stir
it
it.
looks like water.
So this is how it's looking. It's just look like water, but like
With,
it has
like,
glue in
food
there.
coloring. This is how the red's looking.
And Bianca's a little slow. She's going at it.
Oh,
that
she
was
has
pretty-
a smart technique.
Yeah, that was pretty smart. We
I
just,
struggled
yeah,
way
I
too
struggled
much.
too. And I got some on my fingers.
And there's
You
still
know?
some in there, so.
Let's try it out. It doesn't feel like there's glue in here. What
I
happened?
know, it feels like water. Yeah, 'cause that's plastic wrap.
Yeah,
We're gonna throw that away.
yeah, we're gonna throw it away.
Because we put plastic wrap on the bottom, so
Because you know,
such a
according
big
to
mess.
them, I make a mess.
She does.
But so far, I haven't done a mess.
Alright, we're gonna continue and we're gonna leave her behind because it's taking
Okay,
long.
so what's the next
I'm
step?
on the same step. Don't worry.
The next step is we add the solution we made with the
Slowly?
sodium no sé qué cosa to the
The borax. Let's just call it borax.
So we
borax
add it
solution.
all at the time. One time. I'm gonna add it slowly.
Oh, it actually does work.
It
Oh
doesn't
yeah, it does. It's getting harder.
Does it say if you have to put it in
Look,
slow
guys.
or slow?
I'm putting it in
I mean
slow.
slow or fast?
I just threw all of it in there.
I'm putting it slow.
It's kind of
I think I'm gonna put this. Can I put this on the table?
Getting
I should
there.
put this on the table, right?
Look.
I'm gonna put this in my hand.
Let me see
I-
yours.
it's like a brain type of thing, you know, like
A brain. Oh, yours looks. It's a nice color. Yours.
Take a.
Oh, watch out.
it's like not red, is it? It's like neon. Type of.
I like this color. I picked a good color.
Let me see. Color's nice. I
But
think
it
that-
feels like
mine is the least.
I
It
can
feels like
feel the-
boogers.
I can feel the
The
sodium.
The sodium.
I guess because it didn't dissolve correctly.
Yeah, probably didn't dissolve. Mine's just coming apart, but I think I added too much water. Do you still have water?
Yeah,
I
I
still
still
have
have
water.
Oh.
I think I was just leaving with that. Oh, this is cool. It actually did work. Wasn't expecting it.
You know, I've tried doing slime before and it never worked. Just came out really bad. So I'm actually happy that this turned out good.
It actually works. Look,
I don't know if to get it with my hands.
Oh, we should do another one.
We should do a rainbow.
Ew! Why does it feel like that?
Because it still has water. You just squish it in there. That's what I did.
How do you just
Just
Ew.
Mine's just getting liquidly.
mine's the one that worked.
Yeah, I think yours is the only one that
We
worked.
all did the same thing.
Ew, what is this? Okay, wait. Oh, I can feel it. Let me
I'm done with
press
mine.
that again. So you just have to like play with it. Oh, it breaks apart really easy.
Yeah, it does.
But like it's not
like
liquidy.
gooey.
It's not like slime that is stretchy. But it's
I mean,
it was a
yes,
success,
it's
I
little
think.
bit. I mean, it was cheap, so.
Yeah, it was for the price of it. It was pretty good. How's yours coming? out?
Mine is a little bit liquidy still.
It breaks easily, but
It
it's
kind
not
of does
bad.
stretch a little bit, but
I think
Yours
you have to
stretches.
just play
But
around
mine
with it.
breaks a lot.
and the more you like roll it and massage it and stuff, the better.
So mine's turned out like this. Looks like a blue bomb, but yeah, it's not that bad.
mine turned out like in a pink lemonade red color.
Oh, I think that was pink though.
I don't know. It looks like red. The paint looks like red, but it turned out like a bit pink.
and mine came out like a, I don't know,
Booger.
Oh my god, I just dropped it.
like a purple booger.
Oh no.
Yes.
Okay. So I think this was a success.
But it does come out
Will
from
we
your
buy it
hands. That's the
again?
good thing.
Probably not.
Probably not. I don't think we would buy it again.
Let's rate it from 1 to 10. I'd give it a.
I'll give it a 7. Yeah.
I'll give it a 7.5 because, like, you know, I've tried
Oh
doing
my
slime
God,
before with a
7.5.
kit, with another kit, and it didn't actually work. I don't know if I was just
I
dumb.
actually bought one of these boxes. I don't know if it was that same brand, but I bought one from my little cousin, and it actually did work better than this one. It actually really stretched.
I think this was a success, actually.
At least it comes off of your hands. You
Yeah,
can't say
and
it's sticky
it's
to your
not
hands.
sticky.
At first, it's a little bit sticky, but then like you roll it out and you massage it, and
Oh,
it's
mine's just
good.
made a weird noise. What are you doing? Oh, why does yours stretch? Mine doesn't even. Mine's breaks.
By the way, it does make your hand smell bad.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
It smells like bad.
Yeah, it smells,
Smells like
well,
bad.
it's not that bad, but it just smells like glue and sodium together. Well,
But
okay.
I like it.
Well, thank you for watching another video of ours. Make sure to like and comment.
Subscribe.
And turn on the notification bells.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, it's
Oh, you said 1, 2.
okay,
go.
Okay.
Hey guys.
No, restart again. Hey guys, it's us the Undecided.
No, sorry.
I forgot to say
us. It's us.
Okay. Alright guys, so this is the end result.
Oh.
Mine's
Mine's hard.